In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location Shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one. Then select Closed in No Location Access pop-up. If you want to, you can also go into Settings and look for Location section here. Then click on it and tap on this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!